In today's video, I'm going to teach you Facebook Marketplace banned how to restore anyone no tell me in comment box, part 1. If your Facebook Marketplace is suddenly unavailable, don't panic. In many cases, the first step is simply to check what Facebook is actually telling you, because the restriction may be temporary, reviewable, or tied to a specific policy issue. Start by opening Facebook and logging into the account where Marketplace is not working. Make sure you are using the correct account, since Marketplace access is tied directly to that profile. Once you're in, click the Marketplace icon and try to open it. Pay close attention to the message that appears. This is important because Facebook often gives a direct reason, or at least a clue, about why access has been limited. Sometimes the message will mention eligibility, account restrictions, or a listing-related issue. Next, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, open Account Status if that option is available on your account. This section can help you see whether there are any restrictions, warnings, or policy violations affecting your ability to use Marketplace. If you see something listed there, read it carefully before taking any action. After that, open the menu, go to Help and Support, and then select Support Inbox. This is another very important place to check. Facebook often sends official notices here, including updates about removed listings, restricted features, or actions taken on your account. If Marketplace access was removed for a specific reason, there may be a message waiting for you. Now take a closer look at the reason for the restriction. Check whether one of your listings was removed, whether a policy was violated, or whether Facebook gives any other explanation. Try not to assume right away that the ban is permanent. In some cases, Facebook provides a path to request a review. If you see a request, review, or appeal option, click it and follow the instructions exactly as Facebook presents them. This is usually the official way to ask for your Marketplace access to be reconsidered. When submitting your appeal, keep your explanation clear and simple. State that you believe the restriction may have been applied in error, and provide only the information Facebook asks for. It's best to stay factual and avoid adding unnecessary details. Finally, wait for Facebook's decision and keep checking your support inbox for updates. While the review is pending, do not create another account and do not try to bypass the restriction in any way. That can make the situation worse. That's the process for checking and requesting restoration of a banned Marketplace account in part 1.